Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Apple AirPods Pro 2 Wireless Earbuds. AirPods Pro 2 unlock the world's first all-in-one hearing health experience, a scientifically validated hearing test, clinical-grade hearing aid feature, and active hearing protection. Coming fall 2024. Number 2. Apple AirPods Pro. 2x more active noise cancellation than AirPods Pro, 1st gen. Spatial audio compatible with movies, TV, and supported apps. Sweat and water resistant, IPX4, for non-water sports/exercise. Number 3. Technics Premium Hi-Fi True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Powerful earbuds deliver reference-quality audio with depth texture for true-to-life sound. Masterfully crafted 10mm free-edge dynamic driver unique acoustic structure offer our highest standard for high-res sound. Number 4. True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Control your sound with 2 distinct listening modes, active noise cancelling, ANC, and transparency mode. 3 soft ear tip sizes for a stable and comfortable fit while ensuring an optimum acoustic seal. Number 5. Beats Fit Pro True Wireless Noise Cancelling Earbuds. Flexible, secure fit wingtips for all-day comfort and stability. Custom acoustic platform delivers powerful, balanced sound. Spatial audio with dynamic head tracking for immersive music, movies, and games. 3 distinct listening modes, active noise cancelling, and transparency mode, and adaptive EQ.